Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the ocean waves stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, and front post double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3 plus 2. I have already made 23 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the third chain from your hook. You're now going to make 1 double crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 double crochet into the third chain from your hook and then 1 double crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 2 chains. Into the first stitch of this row, make 2 double crochet. We're now going to start our sequence, make 3 chains. To skip 2 stitches. Into this next stitch, make 3 double crochet. Now we're going to start repeating from here. Make 3 chains, skip 2 stitches, into this next one, make 3 double crochet. Make 3 chains, to skip 2 stitches, into this next one, 3 double crochet. Make 3 chains, skip 2 stitches, into this next one, 3 double crochet. Make 3 chains, skip 2 stitches, into this next one, 3 double crochet. Make 3 chains, skip 2 stitches, into this next one, 3 double crochet. When you reach the end of your row and you only have 2 stitches left, skip 1 into this last stitch of your row, make 1 double crochet by itself to complete row 2. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 3 chains. We're going to immediately get into the sequence for this row. You're going to skip to the last or the third double crochet in any next previous 3. So you're going to skip our first stitch. You can see this is a set of 3 from our last row. Into this last one, this third one over here, you're going to make 3 front post double crochet over that stitch. So there's 1, 2, and 3. 3 front post double crochet over that third stitch of these previous 3. Now you're going to make 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. You're going to skip to the next set of 3 double crochet, and over that third one or that last one, you're going to make 3 front post double crochet over that stitch. Make 3 chains, skip to the next set of 3, Make 3 front post double crochet over this third previous double crochet stitch. Make 3 chains. Skip to this next set of 3, make 3 front post double crochet over this previous last double crochet in this set. Make 3 chains. Make 3 front post double crochet over this last double crochet in this next set of 3. Make 3 chains. Move over to our next set of 3, make 3 front post double crochet over this last one in that set. Make 3 chains. We've come to our last little block of stitches in this row. You're going to skip this stitch right here into this last stitch of this row, make 1 double crochet by itself to complete row 3. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now repeat row 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the ocean waves stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.